How to remove microphone button from iPhone keyboard. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. This section lets you manage keyboard settings like autocorrection, predictive text, and dictation. On the Keyboards page, scroll down until you find the Enable Dictation option. If the toggle switch for this feature is turned on, tap on the switch to disable it. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Tap on Turn off Dictation to confirm your action. Following these steps, you can easily remove the microphone button from an iPhone keyboard. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.